Sharing with you a very wonderful Euro USD trading strategy. Now, as you can see in this strategy, I'm running a $2 account. Like, this is a $2 account, and this is a live trade. Okay, from $2 account, we are currently in $26. We're in $24 profit. Okay, and this is a live account. This is a live account. Okay, that we're using right here. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple method that you can use to kill USD. Okay, people, you do normally have the belief that you need to have a big trading account. You need to have a large trading account before you can make money trading the financial market, but that's not true. That is not true. Okay, if you cannot grow a small account, I tell you, growing a big account will also be a problem to you. Growing a big account will also be a problem to you. But see how accurately we move this $2 account. We move this $2 account to $9 account. Initially, what happened here was that this was the first trade I placed. This particular trade right here was the first trade I placed. So as soon as I took that trade right here, from right here, and this one candle sold, and it got to the second candle, I placed the second trade because I know that the trade is in my direction. Okay, and that's how I could open two positions. But with a $2 account, normally I cannot open more than one position. So I placed the first trade, it was in profit, and as I saw $1 profit, as I saw that it have moved 10 pips in my direction, I now added this second position right here. Okay, and as you can see, we are currently in $26 profit. We're in $26 profit in a $2 account. So guys, do not be deceived. You can grow any amount of equity, any kind of equity, big, small, large, medium. Okay, because if you cannot grow a small account, seriously, you're also not able to grow. You're also not going to be able to grow a $10 account, or sorry, a $20,000 or a $10,000 or even a $100,000 account. But don't worry, in this strategy, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple concept that you can use to trade Euro USD. This strategy is mainly for Euro USD pairs. Okay, and also you can use it on GBPUSD. Okay, you can use it on GBPUSD. Now we are going to be using these simple parameters right here. These simple parameters we have right here, these are the parameters that we are going to be using in taking these trades in this particular strategy. Okay, so these are the parameters we're going to be using to take all these simple kind of trades in Euro USD that can make you really good profits. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to add all these parameters in your charts. Okay, is to add these parameters in your chart. So you go on the F icon, okay, and you look for your relative strength index. Okay, so if you have your relative strength index, this should be your parameters. Your period is 14. Apply to close, to pixel, and use all these levels right here, all those levels right there. Okay, so you're going to be using level 90, level 20, 50, level 100, level 10, 80, 20, 35, 65. Okay, these are the parameters you're going to be using here. And in your level 50, mark that zone as TP. Set it as TP. Okay, set it as TP. So when you have all of that, you click on done. Alright, click on done. So you have your relative strength index. Okay, so the next indicator you're going to be adding is a moving average. Okay, is a moving average. All right, so on the first moving average, your period is 5. Your shift is 0. Your method is simple. Apply to close, then use to pixel, and also use a black color The reason why I'm using a black color is because I'm using a white chart background. But if you're using a black chart background, you can use color white. You can use color white. Alright, so when you have all of that, you click done. You click done, and the next moving average, the second moving average you're going to be using, your parameters right here for this moving average is period is 25, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, then use in your style use 2 pixel and use green. Okay, make sure you use color green. Make sure you follow every single instruction I'm giving right here, so you don't make any mistake at all while setting your chart. Okay, so if you have that, you click done. When you click done, you now have 2 moving average. You have 2 moving average. Okay, so you have this, you have this, you have this, and this is the last moving average that we're going to be adding to our chart. So you go back to your indicator windows again, and you look for your third moving average. And in this third moving average, the period right here is going to be 10, shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to close, then in your style use 2 pixel. Okay, as you can see right here, I used color red, so make sure you also use color red and use every single parameters you see here in the chart. Alright, so if you have all of that set up, you click on done. So once you do that, you are going to be having these 4 indicators: the relative strength index, first moving average, second moving average, and third moving average. These are the parameters that we are going to be using right here to look for very good and mad trading opportunities. As you can see, this is a live account, guys. This is a live account. This is the withdraw button. Okay, so it's a live account and we are doing wonders. It's not as if it is demo. So now this strategy is a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. Okay, now what zoom level are we going to be using? What zoom level are we going to be using? We are going to be using zoom level 2. So when you squeeze to the minimum, you squeeze first time, sorry, you make first squeeze. Okay, this is the first zoom level and this is the second zoom level. So we're using the zoom level 2 in this chart, and we're using the 1 hour time frame. We are going to be using the 1 hour time frame in this particular strategy. So how does this strategy work? How are you going to be using every single thing here to look for mad trading opportunities in EURUSD and GBPUSD? Now these 3 indicators that we have right here, this green, red, and black, these are what we are going to be, these are the parameters we're going to be using. Okay, as you can see right here, when this market was in an uptrend, when it was going upwards right here, this green indicator was behind, was below. It was below, showing us that the market was and is in a uptrend. All right, so it kept on, this market kept on moving, these other ones kept on moving, and it kept on bouncing the moving average. It kept on bouncing the moving average, but it was below this green moving average. It was below the green moving average, and as soon as price got to this level 90, as soon as price got to level 90, can you see how this black and red moving average crossed over? It crossed over right here, and as it crossed over right here, it gave us our trading opportunity. Can you see what happened? As soon as price crossed over right here, it gave us our trading opportunity. Okay, and that's how I entered this first trade. Right here. Okay, and as soon as I entered that first trade, remember it was a $2 account, and it moved from, my profit moved from $2 to $3, and I entered the second position right here. Can you see? So that's how simple I entered this first position, right here, this 12.50, and as soon as it gave me $1, I just entered the second position, and dollar account have been in a massive profit. Like it has been a massive profit from $2 to 26 US dollars to 26 US dollars. So guys, this is how powerful and how simple the strategy is. Do not forget to like this video, do not forget to share this video to your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.